Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're checking out a compact but feature-packed indoor security camera, the Meari S1 3-megapixel pan and tilt Wi-Fi camera. If you're looking for something affordable with smart features like motion detection, night vision, and two-way audio, this might be exactly what you need. Let's unbox it and see what you get inside. Alright, here's the box. Right on the front, you can see it highlights 2K/3 megapixel resolution, smart detection features, and full pan and tilt coverage. Pretty clean and minimal packaging. I like it. Let's open it up. Opening the box, and here's everything neatly packed. First up, we have the camera itself. I'll come back to this in a second. Underneath, we get a power adapter, 5 volts/1 ampere, a USB power cable, a mounting kit, screws and anchors if you want to install it on a wall or ceiling, a quick start guide, and a warranty card. Nice. Everything you need to get started right out of the box. Now, let's take a closer look at the camera. This is a compact and lightweight design, weighing just around 188 grams. It feels solid, not cheap at all. On the front, you've got the 3-megapixel lens with f2.0 aperture, infrared LEDs for night vision, and this camera supports up to 10 meters of IR night vision, which is great for indoor monitoring. One of the highlights here is the pan and tilt functionality. It can pan almost a full 350 degrees and tilt from -15 degrees to 45 degrees. So basically, you can cover an entire room with just one camera. You also get a built-in microphone and speaker. So, yes, two-way audio. You can talk to family members, pets, or even warn intruders. Plus, it supports motion detection, sound detection, even pet detection. So it's not just recording, it's actually smart. For connectivity, this camera supports dual-band Wi-Fi, both 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz, which is a big plus for stable connections. In terms of storage, you've got options. TF card support up to 256 gigabytes cloud storage, and even NVR support. That flexibility is really nice at this price point. It also includes AES 128 encryption, so your video data stays secure. And video-wise, you're getting 2304 by 1296 resolution smooth playback, up to 25 frames per second. So expect clear and detailed footage. Before we wrap up, pros: sharp 3-megapixel video quality full room coverage with pan/tilt, dual band Wi-Fi, two-way audio, smart detection features. Cons: tilt range is slightly limited. No battery, needs constant power. Limited third-party integration. Overall, first impressions. This looks like a solid indoor security camera with a great balance of features and price. In the next video, I'll set it up, test the app, and show you real-world performance. So, stay tuned for that. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.